Hello everyone, myself Snehal Shinde, lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology from Electrical Department. Subject is Utilization of Electrical Energy. Subject code 22626. Unit 2 Electric Heating and Welding System. In previous lecture, we studied the concept of electric heating, what is meant by the electric heating, and the classification of the electric heating. So now we will start modes of transfer of heat. Heat is always transferred from hot body to cold body. Example, from the heating element to the body to be heated. This transfer of heat is due to conduction, convection, radiation, or by a combination of this. Conduction. In this mode of heat transfer, heat is transferred through a substance from one part to another. That is, one molecule of substance gets heated and transfers the heat to adjacent molecule and so on. The rate at which heat is conducted through a substance depends on the temperature gradient. The heat flow takes place till there is difference in temperature and continuity. This conduction mode of heat transfer is important in the case of heating insulating materials. Refractory, the conductivity is expressed in megajoules per hour per square meter per meter or watts per square centimeter per centimeter. Convection. In this mode, heat transfer take place by actual motion of the molecules of the substance, and it mostly takes place in the liquid. Example, immersion water heater. When the heater is immersed in the water, a continuous flow of water is initiated in the vicinity of the water heater rods. This flow is in upward direction. Because of this, heated water goes in upward direction, and during this motion, the heat is also passed onto the entire mass of water. Thus, entire mass of water is heated up. For vertical heating surface in air, the heat dissipated due to convection is given by Hc equal to 3.875 T1 minus T2 raised to 1.25 watts per meter square, where 3.875 equal to constant value depends on heating surface arrangement, that is shape and size. T1 equal to absolute temperature in degrees Celsius of heating surface. T2 equal to absolute temperature in degrees Celsius of air radiation. In this mode, heat transfer takes place by means of heat waves. These waves do not heat the medium in between two bodies and heat the body which intercepts these waves. The rate of heat dissipation by Stephen's law is given by H equal to 5.72 K into E bracket T1 divided by 100 raised to 4 minus T2 divided by 100 raised to 4 watts per meter square, where K equal to constant radiant efficiency, E equal to emissivity, T1 equal to temperature of source in Kelvin, T2 equal to temperature of substance to be heated in Kelvin. The heat transfer rate by this conventional method is as follows. Conduction equal to 20 watts per centimeter square, 1000 watts per centimeter square for intense flame. Convection 0.5 watts per centimeter square. Radiation equal to 8 watts per centimeter square. So the representation of modes of heat water is stated in the figure as there is a vessel. It is filled with water and the handle, which is a metal, is connected to it. So below the vessel, the heater coil it is provided. This heater coil is supplied by a voltage and a current. So as this heater heated the vessel, so heat transfer modes are basically of three types: conduction, convection, and the radiation. So the heat transfer from one part to other part, in example from vessel to the handle metal, it is called as a conduction, and the convection, heat transfer by motion of molecules, where the heat is transferred from water to water layer, it is called as a convection. And the third is the radiation. The radiation is heat transfer by means of heat waves. So here from the heater coil to the vessel, the heat is transferred. It is known as by the radiation. So here we have explained the modes of transfer of heat because of the conduction, convection and radiation in a simple represented form of the heater coil and the vessel, where the water is heated and it is converted to the handle metal by conduction, and in water it is given by the convection, and from the heater to the vessel of the body vessel, it is given the heat through the radiation. So here we clearly explained conduction, convection and radiation modes of transfer of heat. Thank you.